Here I am again, guys. Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio here. And this time we have an actual warranty return, and there actually was something wrong with it. This unit was returned for inconsistent tape speed, and all I had to do was press on the right side of the cartridge, and I could slow it down quite a bit. So we're going to show that we fixed that. And then it's actually good that he had to send it back, because while it was in my shop, the manual tuning failed. When you would hit a preset, you could not. It would go to the preset, but you could not rotate the tuning. So I had to fix that too. So it's actually good that it came back, because this way we found and fixed this extra problem, and he won't have to send it back again at a later time. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so we can retest pretty much everything.
They're being introduced, the professors to the real world, I hope, shortly.
The Attorney General of Texas, Ken Paxton, suing the administration over the changes to Title IX, which are meant to protect transgender students. Several other states also suing. Brian, what do you make of these new Title IX rules?
Okay, well, they're terrible.
Front rear fader.
Make it very simple. Can this administration do anything that shows any courage?
Fader adjust.
Okay.
Sorry that's happened with this big push,
rear,
this gender confusion that you're going through, but it can't affect women's and boys and girls sports. So you're going to have to compete with the gender you're born with.
Fader set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth still goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, let's move over to FM.
Well, please, including meals, utilities,
okay, so there's a
Wi-Fi,
FM.
housekeeping, maintenance, and enriching.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Where'd that Neil Sedaka tape go? All right, let's try my noisy test tape.
For independent living.
See, now when I press on the right side, it doesn't slow it down anymore. Okay, please.
I don't believe a word they're saying. Oh, I took one look at you and alone and I love you. Such a lonely world. Yes, you're the girl I'm dreaming of.
You do the tape, and the radio comes back. Okay, and you can see that dial light flashing on and off too. All right, so everything's working properly again. And she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio here, and yes, I do honor my warranty. I get a lot of calls from this other guy wouldn't call me back. There's something wrong with the Unity period, but I do honor my warranty. I'm pretty diligent about that. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. Please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's all going to be answered in the work order as you're filling it out. And then that way, if you have like a last-minute question or something that the work order doesn't answer, then it's just a couple minutes on the phone instead of a 15-20-minute conversation where I'm answering the same questions over and over and over from each new customer. I'm just not able to do that anymore. Not much work gets done. So please do that research before calling me with a bunch of questions. This comes from Bob in Studio City, California, and he was gracious enough to give me a little bit of time to think about possible solution before sending it back. So thank you, Bob, for that. Thank you guys for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.